Hello students, I am Sir Arul. Hope you are fine and safe. Today we are going to begin chapter 2, the Stone Age. So before getting into this chapter, you just remember chapter 1, the human evolution. So in this chapter we have learned that our human being evolved from ape. What do you mean by evolution? The gradual growth. Now you should know what is history and prehistory. So history begins from the writing was invented. But prehistory, the period from the beginning of life till the writing was invented. So prehistory starts from before the writing was invented. So now the prehistory is divided into three ages. The first one is Stone Age, and the second one is Bronze Age, and third Iron Age. In chapter 2, we are going to learn about Stone Age and Bronze Age. We will learn about Iron Age in chapter 3. So now, Stone Age. The Stone Age and its period. Here the Stone Age is divided into further 4 ages. The first one is Paleolithic Age, and Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age, and Chalcolithic Age. Now let us discuss one by one. The first one, Paleolithic Age. See, Paleo means old, lithic means stone. So Paleolithic we can also call Old Stone Age. This era was called the Stone Age because early men used stone to make his tools and weapons. So in those period, early human do not have the weapons like nowadays that we have. So what are the important things to remember? So in this period, see, these clans got their food by hunting and gathering. So what do you mean by clans? Clans means the group, one group of people. So they were nomadic. Nomadic means just always moving from one place to another place because they didn't get food in one place. That is the reason to move one place to another place. Then followed their food. Once the food supply ran out, they would move from place to place in search of food and shelter. I think you got it. The role of men was to do the hunting. The role of women was gathering and caring for children. Yeah, normally the same method that we are also following now. All the men would start hunting. At the same time, women were gathering and caring for children. They lived in group called clans, about 20 to 30 people. They did not live like a single or double. They lived in a group of people. They learned to make and control fire. So this is very important one. During the Stone Age period, the people started to learn and control the fire. They know how to make the fire and they know how to control the fire. They developed oral and spoken languages. So now slowly they started speaking. So before that, just sign language or some only sounds, but there is no meaning at all. But slowly and they started oral languages. Then they made cave art and statues and invented the first simple stone tool. So during this period, the people also learned do some art, and they started using simple stone tool. So slowly they started using some tools by using stone only. Okay. So now let's go to the next one. Mesolithic period. So what is the Mesolithic age? So Middle Stone Age. The name Mesolithic comes from two separate words. The mesos means middle and litho means stone. The same way in Paleolithic also. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. So that's also called Old Stone Age. So Mesolithic age is the period of transition from Old Stone Age to the New Stone Age. So here he got little improvement when comparing to Old Stone Age. The beginning of the development of the agriculture. So in Mesolithic age, the early humans started doing some agriculture, which means he started planting some plants for the food. Then domestication of animals. He started to domesticate some animals. The first he started dog and goats. So before that he do not have any animals. Now he tamed two animals, dog and goats. See some inventions: bows and arrows, and fish hooks, then spears and harpoons. So during this period, he invented bow and arrows, fish hooks, and spears and harpoons. So comparing to the old Stone Age, now he started to improve himself because he need to lead his life little comfortably. So now he started to settled near the river area because in near the river area he got some food for eating. So after completing the food, then he started moving. But in old Stone Age, he started moving every day. But here, maybe 1 month or 2 months. Then he started moving one place to another place. Okay. Now let us see some difference between the Paleolithic and Mesolithic. What is the another name for Paleolithic and Mesolithic? Old Stone Age and Middle Stone Age. See the Paleolithic tools. It was rough and big, crude and polished. But in Mesolithic tools was polished and microliths. So comparing to the Paleolithic and Mesolithic, the human being got little improvement. Okay, the remaining thing let's see in next video. Thank you.